G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 1 Raven Road in the popular suburb of Kawungan. This home is as good as new and there's a fair bit to take in, so let's go and take a look around. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's key amenities all nearby, including the Fraser Coast Anglican College, sporting grounds, aquatic centre, shopping centres, TAFE, university, hospital, medical centres, esplanade and beach, all only a short drive away. This modern contemporary home was only completed just prior to Christmas in December 2019, so it's as good as new with nothing to do. Immaculate and beautifully presented on a spacious 742 square metre low maintenance allotment, it is fully serviced with town water, power and sewerage, and you've also got high speed NBN internet included. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that really create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes plenty of bench space and loads of storage, plus a pantry and breakfast bar, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. You'll also note the quality appliances, including an electric cooktop with range hood and a wall oven. This home utilises its space perfectly with open plan indoor living spaces which seamlessly connect with the fantastic north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area, which also includes a shade blind, so you can take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal place to relax at the end of each day. There is also a separate lounge or media room, so everyone can watch their favourite TV series or the latest blockbuster movie. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes an ensuite, large walk-in wardrobe and a ceiling fan. The main bathroom includes both a bath and a shower, plus vanity, and there is a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with internal access, and there's also clear side access and plenty of space to accommodate a large caravan or boat. We're not testing the market and the owner is looking for an immediate sale, so here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.